What is up, everybody? It's your boy VN3 back here with another video, and today you guys have been requesting this a lot, and today we have EXO, White Noise, plus Thunder, plus Playboy, plus Artificial Love. Now, I heard two of these songs already. White Noise, which is actually my second, maybe my favorite EXO song of all time, and Artificial Love, which actually, please guys, do not hate me for this, but it took me a while to get into Artificial Love, and then I started loving it, no pun intended, started loving it even more, and yeah, here we are today with this reaction. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, and make sure to comment down below what else I should react to, EXO related or anything else K-pop related. And yeah, let's just head right into the video. Once I heard this part from this song, I love this so much. Baekhyun! If you're new to the channel, Baekhyun is my bias. And you guys were telling me why he didn't attend, cause he was late, why he wasn't in Exoplanet #4 tour, cause he was between China and America. Crazy. And you guys were commenting down why I didn't name Kai when I was watching it. I love Kai. Please don't think I don't love him. It was this part where I knew this was going to be one of my favorite EXO songs, guys. Kai. See, I'm naming him. And I love the aesthetic that they're doing. It's like very like, I don't know what type of clothes that I'm trying to say. It's like, chill clothing, but still not. Also, this is from my #1 album by EXO, Exact, the third album. Comment down below which is your favorite EXO album. Hey, what the heck? They had rain coming down? Damn. I think Chin actually won me over with this song. Even though Baekhyun and Dio were trying to attack me, Chin got to me. And also Suho. Well, I say this in every EXO live reaction I have. Their vocals, even though GOT7 is my #1 group, EXO's voice is #1 for me. It's just, their vocals are so crazy. Even their rappers can easily become a vocalist, debut as a vocalist. Damn. See, it's just this that Chin won me in. Baekhyun's hair, I see that, ooh. Yes, I'm going back. How can nobody like EXO? Like how? Like their vocals are one of the best I've ever heard. Hey Schumann, you attacking my viewers a little bit too hard now. Don't worry, I'm trying to protect y'all, even though y'all don't want to be protected by him, from him. Lay 2, come on now. You can't be attacking my viewers like that. You attacking them too hard. You too, Kai. Come on, man. Oh, what's going on? Oh, is this Thunder? Okay, I'm. Dio, he was like, I don't know if I should. Okay, I'm liking this. Liking that guitar too. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, this song is pretty good. I'm not surprised. It is EXO. Yo, Kai just went from like to sing it, Lay. Ooh, that was pretty tight. You guys keep seeing glimpse and glimpse of why Baekhyun is my bias. Get it, guy. Hey. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna have to look up what song is this from. What album is it on? Or you guys, can you comment down below where's this from? I cannot speak today. I'm sorry if I'm like stuttering or something. Janho, come on, bro. You, Kai, Lay, Schumann, and Kai, you too. You destroying my viewers out here. Come on now. Kai, you just annihilated them now. They've been annihilated. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. This the second one? The third one? Playboy? Comment down below what song is this from off of their album. Ooh. You hear that? Even like, nigga know. Like, what? Yeah. Yeah, Sehun. Okay, Kai. Back and forth rapping. Yo, when the members all come back together with each other, it's gonna be crazy. Like a comeback with all the members, Dio, Schumann, Lay, it's gonna be crazy. Ooh, I like that movie did. And I love that screen at the bottom. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, Artificial Love! I can't believe I didn't like this song at first, guys. I'm not gonna lie, some EXO songs, it does take me a while to get into. But then, once I start listening to it over and over, comes one of my favorites. Like this, very house, the genre house, it's very, inspired by that. Yeah, Sehun's part, I did like, oh, that's Kai. Oh, no. I thought that was Sehun that was at first. Oh my god, I feel so dumb. Artificial, yeah. Yo. Woo. Come on. Like, y'all are just annihilating my viewers out here. Even though I know you guys like being annihilated from them. Artificial Lover. No why? Artificial Lover. Man, EXO Live is no joke. And I read down in the comments, come on, Schumann. You can't be doing this to my viewers, please. But yeah, like I was saying, I know one of you guys comment down below, because I do read all my comments. One of you guys comment down below saying that, when their tickets were sold out in like 0.4 seconds. Like, how am I supposed to go see EXO if you guys are trying to get these tickets so fast? Come on now. That's crazy. I don't think I ever heard an artist that sold out tickets in 0.4 seconds. And this part right here is what sealed the deal for me for the song. You hear that? That's my bias. Lay, come on, bro. Get that. Also, I want to know who's your bias in EXO too. I don't think I ever asked you guys that too. Ooh. Come on. Not another one. Yo! They about to put on some blindfolds and dance? I'm sorry. I know you guys are gonna hate me because I know there's kind of like this fan war between BTS and EXO. But that's what immediately reminded me of it. Please, guys, do not kill me because I said that. It just immediately reminded me of it. I don't know who did it first, but This is hard. And also, is Kai and Lay the best dancer in EXO? Like, they're all phenomenal dancers. Come on, you can't be staring at my viewers like this, bro. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Isn't Kai and Lay like the best dancers in EXO? I kind of said that because they're the two up there. And I know the main dancers are like Sehun, Kai, Lay, and who was the other one? I think it was Schumann. Yeah, I think it was Schumann that was also in. But yeah, this live performance, crazy as heck. You guys know White Noise is my favorite EXO song. Artificial Love. And Thunder and Playboy, you guys have got to comment down below what album is that off of. Please. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you made it to this part, that means you actually liked it. So thank you so much for watching the entire video all the way through. Really love you guys for doing that. And yeah, comment down below what else should I react to EXO related or anything else K-pop related. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, the bell button, and smash that like button for me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.